everybody, it's Angela with Ava Art. So today I want to do a really quick video and show you a couple of results from my Dark Dazzle experiment that I think you'll be interested to see. But first, before I do, I want to show you the final varnished results of my pod pours. I was also calling them micro pours, where I was using a little seed pod, filling it with layers of paint, pouring it and stretching it out. Kind of a cool thing, so I'll show you the results. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. Isn't that pretty? I use GAC 800 to varnish these, about 2 coats. Let them dry about 48 hours. And there you go. I hope to try more of these micro pours soon. Now, for the Dazzle pour, you may have remembered that I was testing regular American Floetrol with quote-unquote faux Aussie Floetrol. It's basically American Floetrol with a couple of drops of Minwax wood conditioner. And the results are quite interesting. I use the exact same paints, the exact same base, and I'll show you what I came up with. So here's the dried unvarnished results of regular American Floetrol used as my cell activator. Very pretty design. I do notice that there is a little bit of ridges and the paint did not flow smoothly, so that's something to consider. Now, my other result using the faux Aussie Floetrol turned out a lot better. Same exact colors, same exact, as close as possible, pour and tilt. But you can see I got great cells, beautiful color definition. It also dried very, very smooth. So I'm really happy with this. Both of these pieces were designed as a experiment, a test, if you will. So I do plan on trying this particular type of swipe. I call it a geometric swipe. I do plan on trying this on a much larger canvas, so please have a look for that video coming out soon. And otherwise, do have a look at the Dark Dazzle video if you haven't seen it yet. See what you think. Again, just an experiment, and we'll see how it turns out when I go to do a bigger canvas. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you'll be pouring with me soon. Bye.